Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 100. SONJA. Again, SONJA. This pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is son, the second syllable is ja. Pronounce it with me. SONJA. Again, it's SONJA. The word SONJA is the Korean term for grandchild. Again, SONJA means grandchild. How do you write SONJA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable son, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an o character, followed by a neon character. Again, that's siyot, o, and neon for the first syllable son. For the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a jiyot character, followed by an a character. Again, that's jiyot and a, which forms ja. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to write SONJA in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned SONJA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 90 to 99. Don't forget our word for today, word number 100, SONJA, which means grandchild. The first word for our review is word number 99, it's adul, which means son. Next word is pumo, which means parents. Next word is tal, which means daughter. Next word is ane, which means wife. Next word is nampion, which means husband. Next word is halmoni, which means grandma. Next word is haraboji, which means grandpa. Next word is nugu, and it is used to ask who. Next word is sesangi, which means world. And the last word for our review is word number 90, it's molla, which means I don't know. And as mentioned a while ago, this is already word number 100, which means you already learned your 100th Korean word. And we need to say congratulations on doing a really great job on memorizing the Korean words. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to learn even more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul.